Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here to do another update on my Muskovy. Um, they are 10 weeks old today. Uh, Let me see my watch. What day is today? I know it's Monday, but yeah, Monday, December 11th. So, these guys are 10 weeks. Oh, yeah, another thing I want to mention is lately I try to separate my ducks because, you know, they started mating and I don't want my duck to be mixed. So I put the pecans on this side. The khaki camel, I don't have a male for her, so I stick her with the pecan. So the Muscovy over here, they are 10 weeks, and yeah, I didn't see any of this guy try to fly yet. Uh, I'm outside with them at least 2-3 hours a day, so I have not seen them try to just even try to fly at all. So, does Muscovy actually fly at 8 to 10 weeks? Hmm. I I don't know. I mean, I have these guys here, but I have not seen any of this guy try to fly at all. I actually had branches like hook up like was here before. See they try to fly out there. I built stairs and the coop and things like that. See if they try, but no, I have not seen anything yet. So, um, I was thinking about maybe I should clip their wings before that happen. I don't know when that gonna happen, but I know when they hit 12 weeks, I think that's when they're gonna be flying. So I might want to start doing that sometime this week. It's very, very cold here right now. Uh, well, not the worst yet, but it's pretty cold. Uh, I think like 18, 20 degrees right now outside. You can see like things on the ground are freezing up. So yeah, I separate my ducks over here. So now I have to build a shelter for these guys. Uh, I'm not gonna do something fancy, spend too much money or stuff like that, because I built one that kind of decent, probably not the best, but kind of decent for them to stay in. And before I separate them, I've been watching them every night, and then don't use it. They hardly use it. I built this thing for them. It's not a really big coop, but it's okay. So yeah, so it's not really tall neither. It's like close to 5 feet tall. So yeah, I put heat lights in here and all this stuff in here for them, but they hardly ever comes in here. I come pick up the eggs every morning and bury them here for them. Yeah, they're in here. Now I'll just cover them back up. So I noticed that sometimes light like this can fall, so I wrap around the wires. I made this pole right here, nail it up into the ceiling, wrap the rope, so if they do fall, it'll be short. It won't fall all the way down and cause fire or anything. Other than that, on the two side, I put nails on two sides. So if that slip, it will hook on the nail. The worst, everything falls off and this thing, I mean, like, okay, at this point, there's no way this thing's gonna fall off. I left this pole completely break down. And then I made a little window in the back. Just for air. You saw that? This door is always open all the time. Yeah. Yeah, this door always open all the time, so they can go in and out anytime they want. I turned the Barbie house that the kids don't use anymore. And the Muskovy comes and stays in here. Most of the time. But I was surprised to see them today. Come out and sit like that. So yeah, like I said before, my kids come out here, climb on top of there a lot. So I built the stairs for them. That way I don't have to worry about them, fall off and hurt themselves. This light right here, stay all the time. The only time it goes off is the light bulb blows up, and then I have to replace the light bulb. So it's always light here, every day and night. So I started to make it a little tiny coop for this side, starting this morning, and hopefully I get it done. The next time I film, I will show you guys that it's done, hopefully. I need more board. This is just 4x4 square. So I started the base down here, and this is gonna be the side. One side's gonna be a little shorter before I put this boards on it. Yeah, so that would be the plan for today or tomorrow. Try to get done as much as I can. Alright guys, this is gonna be a short video like always. I will do another one maybe in a few days here or next week for sure, next Monday. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Man, I have not drove this car for a while. There's no sill in them. Alright, once again guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys around. Yeah, it's pretty cold. The trees are pretty much naked. There's no more leaves on them.